Hey everybody, thanks for watching. My name's Kevin with All Star Medical, and I want to show you the Nova Cruiser Delight. This is one of their rolling walkers that we like here at All Star Medical, and we have a lot of therapists that really like this. It's unique because it's a rolling walker with seat, but it gives you the ability to actually be inside the walker when you're using it. And most of your standard rollators or walkers with seats do not do that. You have to be on the outside because the seat doesn't allow you to get inside the frame. So this is closer to a standard walker. It has your wheel locks right here, okay, that you can push down or squeeze. When you want to sit, there is a padded seat right here. You just turn, you sit, and you can have a rest. So it's a nice feature there that a lot of them don't have. Again, I like the fact that I can be inside the walker. You will find that most therapists that you deal with prefer you to use the walker like this. A lot of customers end up being on the outside, but the recommendation is to be inside the walker when we're doing our gait training and when we're walking around. It has these great 5-inch swivel wheels that make it very easy to maneuver back and forth. You can also pull to fold, and it's going to fold like a regular walker. So we just weighed it at 16 pounds. So this unit is 16 pounds. The other thing that I like about it is it's height adjustable. Right here, I can go through and then I can raise the height on these just by the click of a button. I can pop them in, and in moments I can have a taller walker. So we can really fit this to your needs, something that not every walker can do. It doesn't have that height adjustability on the A-frame walkers and your rollators where this one does. It's got these rubber hand grips that are really nice and really padded, so they're comfortable with to have your hands on. It has a 250-pound weight capacity, so you know I think that's the right weight capacity for this. You know, a lot of people get 300 pounds on a lot of stuff, and truly fitting somebody 300 pounds in between this width makes it tough. And I've got a few measurements I want to tell you about it. Your overall width is 28 inches here. Your overall length is 23 3/4 inches. So you've got a seat height adjustment from 19.5 to 23.5, which is really nice. Again, fit somebody a little shorter, somebody up to probably about 6'1", you know, something like that. This is going to work well for. When you fold the unit, it's only 9 inches. So think about putting that in the back of a trunk or back seat of a car. This can easily be set up and slid in the back seat. And again, only weighing 16 pounds makes it really handy. Again, pops right back in place. It's a unit we're excited to have here at All Star Medical, and I think the people that see this will really like it. So if you're needing something like this, we carry this online and in store. Our website is allstarmedicalusa.com. If you have questions or you'd like to order by phone, you can do that at 615-258-6778. And as always, thanks and have a great day.